Can I be brutally honest with you? You have the experience people would pay thousands for, maybe even tens of thousands. But right now, it's just sitting in your head, making you $0. And I know exactly why. And it's not what you think. It's not that you lack knowledge, credentials, or even confidence. The real reason is way simpler. And once you see it, you'll wonder how you missed it for so long. In this video, I'm going to show you the only 3 steps you need to start making real money from your knowledge in the next 30 days. You're an expert. You know your stuff. Whether you're a genius at marketing, a wizard with code, a master of organization, or a health and wellness guru, you have knowledge that other people are desperate for. But turning that expertise into an actual business feels impossible, right? It just feels so complicated. You see other people launching these elaborate funnels, building slick websites, running complex ad campaigns, and you just think, I don't have the time, the money, or the tech skills for all that. But here's what's really going on underneath all that. And this is the part nobody talks about. You spent 15 years becoming legitimately excellent at what you do. You solved million-dollar problems with your company. You've mentored dozens of people who got promoted because of your guidance. But now, when you think about selling that same expertise, you freeze. Because somehow doing it for yourself feels completely different than doing it for your employer. The imposter syndrome is crushing, even though, objectively, you're more than qualified. The sheer scale of what you think you should have to do is completely overwhelming. And what happens when we're overwhelmed? We do nothing. The overcomplication leads directly to paralysis. You end up stuck, day after day, month after month, sometimes even year after year. With all this valuable knowledge just trapped in your head, that knowledge isn't paying your bills. It's not giving you freedom. It's not making an impact. Every single day you wait, you are leaving money on the table. Every day you're stuck in analysis paralysis. You're costing yourself income and the chance to genuinely help people who are struggling with the exact problems you know how to solve. The frustration just builds, and you start to doubt if it's even possible for you. Your expertise starts to feel less like a gift and more like a burden. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be that hard? What if all those elaborate funnels, perfect websites, and huge ad budgets aren't requirements for starting? They're optimizations for scaling. I've learned, both in my own journey and from helping countless others, that there are just 3 simple foundational steps to start making real money from what you already know. This is the exact distilled process that you can use to go from expert to entrepreneur in the next 30 days. It's about clarity, not complexity. It's about taking direct, focused action instead of getting lost in a million different tasks. So forget everything you think you know about starting a business. For the next few minutes, just focus on these 3 steps. The first step isn't building a website or designing a logo. It's answering 2 simple questions. Who are you going to help? And what specific, painful problem are you going to solve for them? This is all about finding your profitable spot in the market. Most people fail because they try to be everything to everyone. They say, I'm a business coach, or I help with marketing. Honestly, that's way too broad. It's a recipe for being ignored. You have to get specific. Instead of just a business coach, are you a coach who helps first-time authors navigate the self-publishing maze? Instead of helping with marketing, do you help local bakeries use Instagram to land 5 new catering orders a month? Now, that's a profitable position. Niching down feels scary. I get it. But it's what makes you the only logical choice for a specific group of people. It lets you stand out with way less competition and charge more for your specialized solution. But just picking a niche isn't enough. The most critical part of this step is validation. You can't just guess that people want what you're selling. You have to know. And you find out by talking to them. Your mission for the next week is to become a detective. Go into the online forums, the Facebook groups, the subreddits where your ideal person hangs out. What questions do they ask over and over? What are they complaining about? What are their biggest headaches related to your area of expertise? Now, here's the key. You're not doing market research. You're having what I call treasure map conversations. These people are literally going to hand you the exact words that will make them say yes to your offer later. Here's your action item. Find 10 people in your target market and ask them these exact 3 questions. What's the single biggest challenge you're facing with whatever problem area right now? How have you already tried to solve this? And number 3, if you could wave a magic wand and fix this tomorrow, what would that look like? Don't sell, don't pitch, just listen and take notes. Their answers, especially the words they use, become your marketing copy, your offer description, and your pricing justification. This step is about finding a real burning pain, not just a mild inconvenience. Find the pain and you've found your profit. Once you know who you're serving and what problem you're solving, it's time to create your solution. Step 2 is to package your expertise into a simple, sellable offer. This is where you escape the trap of trading time for money. Stop thinking like a freelancer and start thinking like a business owner. You're not selling hours, you're selling a result. For your first offer, simplicity is everything. We're not building a giant 12-module digital course right now. That comes later. Remember, the goal is to get a paying client in 30 days. The fastest way to do that is with an offer that's easy for you to create and deliver. For most experts, the absolute best place to start is with one-to-one coaching or consulting. It requires zero fancy tech and lets you work directly with your clients, perfect your process, and get amazing testimonies that will fuel your future growth. So how do you package coaching? You define a clear outcome and the steps to get there. Using the problems you uncovered in step number 1, you create a signature process. For example, instead of I'll coach you for $100 an hour, your offer becomes the 30-day Instagram Jumpstart package. In 4 weeks, we'll work together to define your content strategy, create your first month of posts, and get your first 100 followers. You get 4 one-on-one calls with me, a custom content calendar, and direct email support. See the difference? You've productized your service. It has a name, a timeline, specific deliverables, and a tangible outcome. The client isn't buying your time, they're buying the Instagram Jumpstart. Now, here's where most corporate professionals mess up. They price like employees, not entrepreneurs. They think, well, I made $60 an hour at my job, so I'll charge $75 an hour. That feels fair. Wrong. You're not selling hours, you're selling the result of 15 years of expertise delivered in compressed time. That Instagram Jumpstart package, don't charge $400, $100 a call. Charge $1,500 to $2,500 because you're not selling 4 hours. You're selling their first 100 followers, a content system they can replicate, and the confidence to show up online. That's worth exponentially more than your hourly calculation. And if you're feeling resistance to that number right now, if you're thinking, but nobody will pay that, that's just your employee brain talking. Your corporate job trained you to think your value is your salary divided by 2,080 hours. But entrepreneurs get paid for the problem they solve, not the time they spend. A $2,000 package that saves someone 6 months of frustration and $10,000 in mistakes, that's a steal. Price with confidence. If coaching isn't your thing, you can do the same thing with a small, specific digital product. Not a massive course, but maybe a paid workshop, a detailed guide, or a template bundle that solves one problem perfectly. The key is to turn the questions you hear most often into structured packages that give people the answer. Your first offer should be so focused and valuable that it's an easy yes for someone in pain. You've got your profitable position and your packaged offer. Now you just need a client. Step 3 is about attracting that first paying customer using the most powerful and most overlooked marketing strategy there is: generosity. Forget paid ads and complex funnels for now. Your 30-day strategy is to build trust by giving away valuable advice first. Here's the plan. Choose one social media platform where your target audience hangs out. Just one. If they're professionals, maybe it's LinkedIn. If your niche is visual, maybe it's Instagram. Don't try to be everywhere. Just be where they are. For the next 30 days, your only job is to show up on that one platform every day. Give away your best advice for free. Here's your content formula. Every day, post one of these. On Monday, answer the number one question prospects asked you in conversation. On Tuesday, share a myth you're busting in your niche. On Wednesday, give a quick win they can implement in 10 minutes. On Thursday, tell a vulnerable story about your own journey. People buy from people. On Friday, share a mini case study or student result. Each post equals 200 to 300 words or 60 to 90 seconds. That's it. And listen, these posts don't need to be perfect. They need to be posted. Done is better than perfect here. Your audience isn't looking for Hollywood production. They're looking for someone who understands their problem and has a solution. Typos won't kill you. Not posting will. You're not creating Hollywood productions. You're demonstrating expertise through consistency. Share insights, bust common myths, offer quick tips, and give them small wins. Every piece of content is a tiny demonstration of your expertise. You're proving you can help them by actually helping them. As you share all this value, you also make your offer known. No hard sell needed. At the end of your helpful post, just add a simple, confident call to action. Something like, if you found this tip helpful, you'll love my 30-day Instagram Jumpstart program where we build your entire strategy together. Send me a message if you want to learn more. That's it. You have conversations. You talk to the people who raise their hands. Your goal this month isn't build 100,000 person audience. Your goal is to get one client, one person who pays you for the incredible value you provide. That first sale is your proof of concept. It makes it all real. Don't overthink it. Just go live with your content and your offer. The momentum from that first client is what will carry you forward. Now, if you're ready to stop thinking and start doing, subscribe to my newsletter. The second you do, you'll get my free ebook on launching your coaching business, plus weekly strategies for growing and sustaining a business that actually reflects your expertise. No fluff, just the real tactics that get you paid. Click the link in the description and subscribe right now. Here's why today matters. Every week you wait is another week somebody else is serving your future clients and cashing those checks. Your expertise has an expiration date on sitting idle. But here's what doesn't expire. The feeling when that first client says yes, and you realize you just got paid for knowledge you already had. That moment changes everything. Subscribe now and let's make it happen. So that's it. No complicated funnels, no 5-figure ad spend. The 3 simple steps to monetize your skills this month are: 1. Pinpoint your profitable position by finding a painful problem for a specific group of people. 2. Package your first offer by creating a simple, result-focused solution. And 3. Attract your first clients by generously sharing what you know. Remember at the start, when I said the problem wasn't your knowledge, now you see it. The problem was never you. It was the story you told yourself about what's required to start. You don't need complexity. You need these 3 steps repeated consistently. That's the entire game. So here's what I want you to do in the next 24 hours, not next week, not when you feel ready. In the next 24 hours, write down the name of 3 people who fit your ideal client profile. That's it. Just 3 names. Because once you have the names, you have a starting point. And starting is the only thing that separates experts who stay stuck from experts who build businesses. The most successful experts didn't start with a perfect business. They started with 1 step, 1 conversation, 1 client. They choose action over analysis. So stop overthinking and start doing. Your knowledge is valuable, and someone out there is waiting for you to share it. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And make sure to subscribe for more no-nonsense advice to help you build a business from what you already know. Now go get started.